Hello everyone. Today we shall look into generate and generate all functions. Generate function returns a table with the Cartesian product between each row in table 1 and the table that results from the evaluating table 2 in the context of current row from table 1. If it is little complex to understand, I'll explain the functionality in a while. If the evaluation of table 2 for the current row in table 1 returns an empty table, then the result table will not contain the current row from table 1. All column names from table 2 and table 1 must be different or an error is returned. This function is not supported for use in direct query mode when it is used in calculated columns or row level security rules. Similarly, generate all function, it returns the output similar to the generate function, but it will have the null values for the rows which do not have the values. Okay, and it is also not supported in direct query mode when it is used in calculated columns or row level security rules. Let us go to the data view. Here I have my products table where I have 4 products and their names, and in the rate table I have taken the prices where I skipped one particular ID, which is third ID, and its respective price. Let us understand how generate and generate all function works. Here I shall click on this new table. I'll write the table name as generate equal to, we'll use the function which is generate. In table 1 I'll use the products table, and in the table 2 I'll use the rate table, and close the parenthesis, hit enter. Here you could see that we have got the Cartesian product of both the tables, where each row is associated with the other, each row in the other table. Similarly, I'll create a new table where generate all function is displayed. Here I'll write generate all equal to generate all function. In the table 1 I'll use products, in the table 2 I'll use rate. I'll close the parenthesis, hit enter. Here you could see that it also gives the Cartesian product for each product, and the function is similar according to the generate and generate all functions, since Cartesian product is obtained. But the difference could be noticed when we use related table function within generate and generate all. I'll create the new table and I'll rename the table as generate underscore related equal to generate function. Similarly, I'll enter the products table first, and in the rate table now I'll bring the price of the table by using related table function. Here we enter the rate table inside related table. I'll close the parenthesis, hit enter. Now you could notice that here we have the products of product table which are matching with the prices, and only the values which are present in the rate table are appearing. Let us make this similar function with respect to generate all, and let us notice the difference. I'll click on new table and I'll paste the measure, the function which I have written. Instead of generate, I'll make it to generate all, and you could notice the difference that generate all function allows null values. Here you could see that for confections product, which is third product, I don't have the price data, so you could see that it allows null value. These are the two major differences between generate and generate all functions, as you could notice in the given examples as I have shown. Okay, generate and generate all function, they both display the same Cartesian products. Generate all and generate functions, when it is used with related table, generate all allows null values. This is all for now. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.